progressive journalism, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for latest updates. The dream of becoming an IAS or IPS officer is shared by many, yet only a few are able to clear the coveted and one of the most difficult UPSC exams. Results from the Union Public Service Commission were eagerly anticipated across the country, and the wait finally came to an end on September 24th. A total of 761 test takers passed the test, which included 545 male and 216 female candidates. It was a common sight over the last 5 to 6 years to see at least 5 or 6 candidates from Karnataka in the top 100, but this year, only one qualified. A total of 3 candidates made it to the top 300. Meet Akshay Simha.
Hi, my name is Akshay Simha.
One of the 26 students from Karnataka who cleared the civil services examination administered by the UPSC 2020. Akshay is a 26-year-old banker in Bengaluru who topped in the state by clearing the UPSC civil service exam with an All India rank of 77.
I cleared the UPSC Civil Services Exam 2020 this time with an All India rank of 77. I started my preparation in 2018 after my graduation from the Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research, Kolkata. And this was my second attempt. In the first attempt I was unable to clear the mains, but this time I was fortunate enough to actually qualify for the interview and ultimately feature in the final list.
The Union Public Service Commission is all set to conduct the UPSC prelims exam on 10th October 2021 in offline mode.
So, having a guide is extremely important for clearing the civil services, whether online or offline, that does not really matter. So, I'd just like to wish all the aspirants all the best, and it's important that we start focusing on careers apart from engineering and medicine so that we use the talent pool that we have, use the youth that we have to actually become thought leaders in different professions so that together we can actually script a better story for the country.